Lots of stuff for Valentine's today, so you might have seen quite a lot of me in this room with this jumper on. So I'm doing the same crafts, but they'll go out on different days. Look at this. This is a Valentine's wreath for you, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to be able to make. Very rustic. You could also have this for a wedding if you wanted to, and maybe put white love hearts on it. Very simple, very quick, and very cheap. And I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's not my design, it is somebody else. I'm going to be talking you through it, but don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and it's lovely to have you on board, part of the YouTube family. Remember, it's totally free, it don't cost you anything to do it, so do sign up. And of course, the more I have following and the more subscribers I've got, the more I'm going to be able to carry on doing this sort of thing. So love you lots, thank you very much, and here's how you do it. You're going to have to excuse the mess. It really is messy in here tonight. I've done a few crafts, so if you've seen over the last couple of days or couple of weeks that I've done some photo frames and etc., it's all been done on one night after work. So I'll just take these off first of all, because those are love hearts that I've just cut out by hand. Where's my scissors gone? Where are my scissors? Here. So first of all, I've just taken just a normal wreath, polystyrene wreath, which is this, which I got from Hobbycraft. And then I've taken strips of this, which I've actually cut off of a long piece of Hessian that I had, and I've cut the strips off, but you can get this in rolls. And then I've just gone round and round and round the wreath. So instead of boring you, I've done it before. I switched the camera on because I didn't want to bore you. So I'm just going to do the last piece now, and I've just been hot gluing everything into place. Obviously be careful with hot glue. I've forgotten my, you know, there's little paddy things that you can get for your fingers, because I've burnt myself that many times. I've got little pad things for my fingers now. And then what you want to do is go around, and hopefully this bit, it might not finish it off. No, it doesn't finish it off. I'm just going to need one more piece. Just hot glue this into place. And then one more piece. So you can either buy a big piece of Hessian. I found a big, well, not a big piece, but a bigger piece of Hessian, but I have got these in rolls as well that I've bought over sort of the last year. So just glue that into place. So this is a great one for Valentine's. And then, if you can see here, this is what I did, and then I've just cut strips off this, like so. I'm not bothered about what the size is. I'm not measuring, because it's quite the rustic look, isn't it? So this actually would be quite good for weddings. If you had a rustic wedding, but you could do a different design, maybe put flowers on or something like that. Again, just go with the hot glue gun. I need a bit more glue in the back of that, bear with me. Not the same as, it's not the same as when you craft at home. When you craft away from works, you don't have the same things with you. Oh, there we go, it's coming out now. So last piece. Industrial one down with me. This time I don't think that's going to stretch over to that. Yes, it is. There we go. So, oh, look at the state. This is my dressing room at work. So, okay. So that's now your wreath. So what I've then done is I've taken a piece of felt, and I've cut loads of love hearts out of it. Now I did have a bash of doing something that I saw on the internet, because this design is not my design. I've actually taken this from somebody on the internet that's made this, and what they did is they took a piece of felt after they cut their first shape, so you fold it over and then you cut round like a love heart. She then put the second piece over, I've got glue on my fingers, and then cut round. Now I did that, but the love hearts were getting smaller and smaller, so I wasn't overly keen on that. So I've actually done nearly every single one of them by hand, and what I'm going to do is go round, but I'm going to do odd way round, if you know what I mean, like this. But I just need to get them into place first before I glue. That way, then that way. Where are they? They're down on the floor here. Oh my gosh, they say you can't get a tidy crafter. You certainly don't in this one. I'm a right old mess. Let's go that way, and then go that way. I wonder if we've got a bigger one than that. No, that'll be alright like that. So let's just place them so they're even around. And have I got them the right way? Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Yes, I've got them all round the right way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this glue gun, and if it'll work for me, what's up there? I'm going to stick them all into place. There we go. And then you're going to take a piece of string and you're going to crisscross across the love hearts. But first of all, I just need to make sure that I'm tied properly. Before I start. So I'm just going to tie around the back so it's nice and secure. I might glue gun it in after I've finished. So then I'm going to crisscross across the hearts, making sure I've got it there we go, and come around this way. And then just keep going round. Valentine heart wreath that could go on your front door, or it could go in the house. You could give it for a present to somebody. You could do it with flowers for a birthday celebration if you wanted to, or for a wedding. I'll just stick those flowers down a bit better on the side. But it could be done for just about anything. A beautiful gift to be able to give to somebody for Valentine's as well. I mean, this could be for, you know, a mum or a dad to go on their front door, or it could be for your loved one, or it could be for a secret admirer that you've made. don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment section below. Again, it's not my design, it's one that I've taken from the internet, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm so pleased with it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.